Okay, one more thought on Christmas. I didn't actually read this anywhere. I was just thinking about it. And in terms of Christmas being an opportunity to evangelize, I wouldn't actually be surprised if that was part of it from the very beginning. Like when Constantine decided to baptize Nimrod Day and make that Christmas, I wouldn't be surprised if the Christians kind of took it up as an opportunity to tell people that, like, rather than celebrating Tammuz's birthday, and um, the story of Tammuz is very similar to what actually happened with Jesus. So I wouldn't be surprised if Christians during that time use that to say, like, you're believing this story about Tammuz. It's actually false. But let me tell you the true gospel, which is Jesus. And yeah, so I just had that thought. I wouldn't be surprised if that's true. And then also, I mean, we kind of do the same, something similar today. We don't have Tammuz to use as a replacement, but I mean, Christmas still is very secular, and people are trying to still tell people about Jesus. So yeah, it makes me think of when Paul was visiting, I forget what city it was, but with all the different gods, and there was an unknown god, and that's how he started with, like, hey, I noticed that you have this idol to an unknown god. Let me tell you about this unknown god, and use that as his in. I wouldn't be surprised if the early church used Tammuz Day, Nimrod Day, whatever they called it, as their in to actually talk about the birth of Jesus. Could be. I don't know.